Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today I wanted to share with you my Juvia'splace foundation that I ordered, and I also ordered one of the palettes that I have been really wanting for a long time, and that's the Tri palette. I am so excited about this. I have my foundation, and just to let you know, I had already done my makeup for the day, but when the mailman came and they brought my package, I took that makeup off so quickly. I didn't take my eye makeup off, but I took off that makeup so I can try it on, and I'm really excited. But I will tell you, this is the way my package came to me. Isn't that weird? It came to me open just like this. The mail carrier just left it just like this, no explanation, no nothing. Weird, and it was clearly ripped open. This is not the way they sent it out. It was clearly slit open, and I don't really get that. All of my things were intact, so I'm happy about that. This is the palette, and I have to be very brief with that right now because I have to get to my foundation. I'm so excited. From the description online, I said this, I hope this is going to be the right color. I opened it up because I wanted to see if the seal was like secure, and then I couldn't like not test it, and it's absolutely perfect. The descriptions of these foundations online are just absolutely perfect. So the color that I have is Acra 330. Okay, I already put my primer on. Well, I didn't put it on the rest of my face. Can you see how excited I am? I am like so incredibly excited about this. I'm like finishing up my Lancome foundation, base. This is a La Base Pro. I've been cleaning all day, so my makeup is getting my eye makeup is kind of like running down a little bit, but I'll fix it up. Okay, let's see. I am so excited. And I know that from what I've been seeing, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm not going to waste it. This is a little tiny drop that I am going to use right there. Oh, I can't believe this is finally here. I am so excited. Let's see, please match. Let's see what it does on these spots. This looks like it's a little light. Oh no. Is it light? Let's see. Let's blend it out. Oh my goodness. Ooh. It's not too light. I love it. With Acra, the one that was a little bit darker looked like the tones were too red for me. So this is going to be the closest thing. Look at that. Look at the coverage. Okay, and guess what? That was a tiny bit. Look, I still have so much of this foundation left here. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. I know I'm supposed to say all kinds of things about this foundation and tell you what it's supposed to do, what it's not supposed to do, but I think I'm not the person for that because I'm too excited. I can't do it. I just have to go right in. I don't usually go for a full coverage foundation, so I'm just trying to use this as sparingly as possible. And it is giving me a little bit of an ashy look, like maybe it's a little too neutral for me. But by the time I put my, let me get my mirror. By the time I put my bronzer on, I think it's going to be the absolute perfect thing. My husband putting laundry away. Score, baby. Oh, I love this so much. I am in love with this. I can't believe, just from the description of the product, and there were lots of pictures as well. Oh my goodness. I love it, guys. I love it. And look, I still have so much left over here. Okay, maybe I will try to cover up this a little bit more, which again, I normally don't go for full coverage. I normally go for the least amount of coverage possible, because I like for my flaws even to shine through a little bit, because then without my makeup, I look like the same person, which people always tell me I look like a different person without my makeup on. I'm using this round Real Techniques sponge that is horrible for getting into the nooks and crannies of your face, but so that was the tiniest little drop of foundation, and I love it. And it feels like nothing on my face. It feels like absolutely nothing. Oh my goodness, they did such a good job. But I didn't expect anything differently. I expected the foundation to perform like the eyeshadow palettes. It just looks as if they put so much thought into their products, and I guess if you want it to be full coverage, of course, you can just use more foundation, but I don't do full coverage. I like to share it out. And I love it. Perfect match. Why was I sitting at my front door for so long waiting for this? Because I knew this was going to happen. I love it. I absolutely love it. I haven't even said it, and I am more than just a little bit happy. Okay, what will I set it with? I will set it with my Pure Cosmetics powder. Doesn't feel like anything. I did not purchase the concealer because I have so many concealers. So I said by the time I need another concealer, I'll be able to get this one. But I'm trying not to purchase things that I just don't need. I needed a new foundation because I found that the foundations that I was using before were just entirely too red for me. But when I found out that they were releasing a product, I refused to buy another foundation because I wanted this one. I didn't want another one. I wanted this one. And I'm so happy that I waited. So again, I am 330 Accra, A-C-C-R-A. Oh, well, I wasn't disappointed. I am so excited. Let me get some bronzing. I have the Morphe bronzer that I'm going to use. I'm just like in shock that my package came open like that and she just delivered it. Unless maybe she delivered it to one of my neighbor's doors and they gave it back to her, because it did come really late. It's almost as if she delivered it to the wrong place. It won't be the first time that my mail carrier does that, but sometimes she's approachable, other times she's not. And so, but I mean, generally speaking, my neighbors wouldn't necessarily give it back to the mail carrier. They would normally just bring it over. Like when we get someone else's mail, we just walk it over. But whatever happened, I got it. I love it. I love it so much, guys. Yes. Oh, and as excited as I have been because I was getting this palette, I can't even focus on my joy with this one because I am so happy about this foundation. Okay, I have to try on at least one color. Yes, this is so gorgeous. Let me bring my little tray over so I can stop reaching. Oh, which one? I'll go safe. love it, guys. I love this. Do I need a little bit of brightening underneath my eyes? Maybe a little bit. I don't always brighten my under eye area. Sometimes I just leave it. And literally, I was downstairs folding laundry when this came. Literally, I was downstairs doing housework. The mail carrier came with my open package, and I took off. Oh, my husband came like, what? What's going on? What's going on? My package is open. I am so dramatic. Come on, where is it? My package is open. But nothing was broken. So happy. Okay, I don't like the way that looks with that brightening underneath it at all. See that? I hate the way that looks. So I'm going to take, maybe there's enough on the brush. Okay, I definitely have to buy. See, it's not that I'm just buying for no reason. I definitely need the concealer because I don't like the way this concealer does with it. This is the Lancome concealer that I have, but I don't like the way this looks with it. Well, that just fixed it. Just do a foundation sandwich. Oh, this feels like nothing on my face. Absolutely nothing. This is going to last me forever. I feel like I can go downstairs and get rid of my other foundations. That's how incredibly happy I am with this. Awesome. You can still see a little bit of my hyperpigmentation there. Well, that's actually a blemish. It's not hyperpigmentation. That's a pimple. An old pimple. Oops. Did I break my mirror? Okay. So, but again, I used it. You saw the little tiny dollop of product that I use because I don't go for full coverage. This will literally last me forever. It will literally last me forever. I'm gonna put some Bella on my cheeks. So I just wanted to share with you guys my package, my beautiful package with my Juvia's Place foundation. I just put too much blush on, but that's okay. I am feeling so happy right now, it doesn't even matter. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you purchased your Juvia's Place foundation and you want to share how you felt about it below, I would love to hear about it. Bye, guys.